Listen closely, men. Most relationships don't fail because of lack of love. They fail because people express love in ways their partner doesn't understand. You might be doing everything you think shows love, buying gifts, saying nice things, or being physically close. But if that's not her love language, it can feel empty to her. Love isn't just about what you give. It's about giving it in a way that lands. So let's break this down. The 5 love languages, and how to use them to make your woman feel deeply connected to you. 1. Words of affirmation. For some women, words are everything. They crave reassurance through what you say. Simple things like, "I'm proud of you," "You mean a lot to me," or "I love the way you handled that." It's not about being soft, it's about being aware. When your words affirm her value, you give her emotional oxygen. But here's the trick. Say it when she least expects it, not only when she looks her best. That's when it hits her heart. 2. Acts of service. For others, love is action. It's taking the load off her shoulders, doing what needs to be done without being asked. It's fixing something, helping out, handling a problem quietly. To her, that says, "You matter. I see your effort, and I'm here with you." Real men don't just talk love, they do love. 3. Receiving gifts. This one gets misunderstood. It's not about money, it's about thoughtfulness. A gift can be a handwritten note, her favorite snack, a small surprise that says, "I thought of you." When done right, it's not materialistic, it's meaningful. You're creating a moment that reminds her she's cherished. 4. Quality time. Attention is today's rarest currency. When you give her your time, fully, phone down, mind present, you show her she's a priority. It's not about fancy dates or grand gestures. It's about being there, listening, laughing, sharing silence without distraction. Because time, once given, can't be taken back, and women feel that deeply. 5. Physical touch. For some, love is felt through closeness. Not just intimacy, but simple things. Holding her hand, a hug after a long day, a touch on her back when words aren't enough. Touch grounds love in reality. It says, "You're safe with me." Here's the truth. We all have 1 or 2 dominant love languages. Yours might be different from hers. That's why relationships misfire, because we give love the way we want to receive it, not the way they do. The secret is learning her language, not rewriting yours. Pay attention to what she complains about, what she asks for, and what she gives you. Those are clues to her language. When you speak it, love flows effortlessly. When you don't, it feels like no matter what you do, it's never enough. So, men, love isn't about constant effort. It's about understanding. Because the moment you start loving her in the way she feels loved, that's when she stops doubting you. That's when affection becomes natural. And that's when love, real love, becomes unshakable.